Hi guys, so welcome back to my channel. I have another Zara haul. So anyways, let's start because my friend and I went to the mall yesterday and we went to Zara and I got a lot of cute stuff there. So all right, I'm gonna start with so first things first, here is this bodysuit, like a turtleneck bodysuit. It's really perfect for fall. And here, the color is brown right here. I'm also gonna do like a try on. So right here, this is the bodysuit look like, and it's rib. I got the I got the size medium, and it's just $19.90, which is like 20 bucks. So can't wait to wear this, especially fall is coming or almost here. So the next one, I got a shirt and size medium, and this is $12.90. It's a white shirt. Here has this little thing in the side, and it's just white. It's cute. So that's what I got. All right, the next one is this, what is this, like a crop top. I got the size large because they don't have the medium, they only have the small and large there. So I got the color brown as usual. So this is the brown. I really like this color. It's giving me you can basically wear this almost like from every day or like running errands. I like this top, and it's only $5.90, and it's also rib. All right, next we have here I don't know what is this. It's like a shoulder shirt, muscle shirt. I don't know if that's how you call it, but I got the size medium as well, and they're $9.90, which is like 10 bucks. And I got the black one. This is the black, this is the only one that's left, so I got the black one. I'm planning to wear this on like running errands too, like everyday running errands, something like that. And maybe like a high-waisted jean short, and you can tuck this in or tuck it out. It also like really depends on how you style it. So this is cute, and of course I had to get them on different colors. So I think this is this is in the Limitless Contour collection, I believe. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I already have the black one and the brown one, and I got this dark chocolatey color, like dark brown chocolatey, look like burgundy in the camera, but this is nice, cute top. I really like this top, and this cost $12.90 right there. All right, next one is this cute white as well. The material for this, you guys, it's really soft. I don't know, it's really soft and like hugging. I've been using the black one and the nude one. It's amazing. They're same cost, $12.90. So yeah, I really love this top too. So I think the try on is gonna be after this, or I'm just probably gonna insert. I don't know what I'm gonna do, but anyways, next one is, it's another crop top, but it has like this little turtleneck moment. Not too turtleneck, but just a little bit. I didn't notice that, but anyway, this is in the size medium as well, medium large, and $12.90. And look at that, it's so cute. I like the color brown, like brownish nude. I really like the material of this one, you guys. I'm addicted to like rib cotton material. All right, next one is, I got, of course, I went on my, how do you call that, I went out, so I got the color green. Like I said, if you guys know me, I'm not really like a colored person, and I've been into pastels and colored dresses or tops now. I don't know, it's just kind of unique for me because I've been just like, I am so loyal with my black, white, gray, and nude, and that's just like I love my neutrals. But yeah, I got it the same, but the color is green as well. I like the material of this. I think I'm planning to pair that with like black high-waisted pants. I don't know, maybe short as well because it's still a little bit hot outside, so maybe short. And also I finally got my hands on these because I've been looking at this online, and the last time I was at Zara, I'm just like, I don't know if I'm gonna like it or not, but I finally saw them in person and I freaking love them. So I got the brown one and I paid $25.90, which is that's the price, $25.90. And I don't know what's the color of this, like brown, so I don't know why it looks so pumpkinish in the camera, but in real life it's brown. So this is a dress, you guys, and it has this, like, I don't know what they call this, but yeah, it has this little details on this each side. I can't wait to wear this, especially like for fall, and I'm gonna pair this with like high heels or like mules or even sneakers like Nike Air Force. So this is really cute, and like I said, I got them on a size medium. And then last, I think, but not the least, is this same one. I got it on black, so medium on black right here. And like I said, I like this little details. I just like a rib crunch thingy. I don't know, I don't know, like I can't describe like the name of this in the side, like little details on the side, but it's cute. So I got it on black, of course, and I like the material. It's really thick, it's not thin, so that's great. And it's the same price, $25.90. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do a try on haul for you guys, so you guys can know what it looks like on me. For height preference, I am 5'1". I'm like 5'1", and yes, I'm gonna do like a try on haul. Okay guys, that is it for today's video or haul. I hope you guys like it. And also I have an ongoing $100 giveaway right now. I'm gonna put a card somewhere here or somewhere in my description box below. If you guys haven't checked it, please just follow the rules. I'm going through all of the people who are following the rules, and I already have the list on them. So if you haven't joined my giveaway, and if you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Glenn. So anyways, if you like I said, if you want to win $100 giveaway, please join and just follow the rules. And also I have another giveaway just for US, which is an organizer, a bag organizer, and there's gonna be 2 winners on this organizer. And like I said, just follow the rules as well. I'm also gonna leave the link or the card somewhere in the screen or in my description box below. So I acknowledge you guys, to encourage you guys to join, because I am planning to do a more giveaway sooner, like next month. I think I'm gonna do this monthly or every 2 months now. I'm gonna try my best to give more for you guys, because you guys have been very great to me, and you guys have been watching my videos and supporting me. So yeah, this is just little something that I can give back to my loyal subscribers too. So yeah, like this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you guys soon on my next video. Bye.